Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Eating leftover pasta may be better for your blood sugar than consuming a fresh bowl, experts say. Inspired Tastes chefs share a homemade pasta recipe that can be used to make various pasta shapes like spaghetti, fettuccine, and lasagna sheets. A viral social media trend claims that eating leftover or reheated pasta may be easier on your blood sugar compared to freshly cooked pasta. The science behind this is that when pasta is cooked, cooled, and then reheated, some of the digestible starches turn into resistant starch, which is more slowly digested. Resistant starch acts like fiber, feeding beneficial gut bacteria rather than being quickly broken down into sugar. Studies show reheated pasta can lead to a smaller rise in blood sugar compared to freshly cooked pasta, especially when prepared al dente. The effect can be helpful for managing blood sugar, including for people with diabetes, but is not a cure-all and portion size still matters. Experts recommend cooking pasta al dente, chilling it for 12 to 24 hours, then reheating it thoroughly to maximize the resistant starch effect. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. /speak